Hello there. If you're wondering whether Procurement Tactics courses are right for you, let's clear things up with some common questions that we get. First off, do you need to start the course on a specific date? No, you have the freedom to begin whenever it works best for you. Plus, you will have access for 365 days to all the materials, so you can dive in when it's most convenient for you. How long will it take to complete a course? You can decide to go through our course at once or to spread it over time. Next to our courses, we also offer over 50 templates, each ranging from 7 to 15 minutes long. These templates are practical tools designed to give you quick, actionable insights. The beauty of our courses is that they're structured to serve as ongoing references. So if you need to refresh your memory on something like contract management or risk assessments weeks later, you can easily find and review those specific lessons without replaying the entire course. Wondering about completion certificates? Yes, we provide them. After finishing a course, you'll get a certificate, which can be a great addition to your professional portfolio and might even help you getting reimbursed by your company. Got questions during the course? You're covered. You will have direct access to our expert team through our platform for real-time support. If you have additional queries, you can always email us. Our support team is here to help, and you can also interact with other learners on our discussion boards. If you have any other questions, just email us at team@Procurement Tactics and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. We're dedicated to helping you excel in procurement and reach your career goals. Are you ready to shape the future of your procurement career? We are here to help you.